Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Catherine. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this bronzy glowy look using the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth Primer and the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation. So if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look, then please continue watching. Oh, before I forget, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Bye guys. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my face because I think I'm gonna keep it pretty simple on the eyes. So to prime the face, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth Primer, which I've been loving lately. And basically this primer primes the face with hydration, which is nice. I think I'm gonna go for a glowy look, so that's what I'm gonna try to achieve. And so I'm just applying this with my finger. So now that we primed our face, for foundation, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth Foundation, which recently I've been loving. And if you're curious to know, I'm in the shade 315 Soft Honey. What I do is pour a little bit at the back of my hand. And I'm taking a foundation brush and just applying it like this. And I found out that this foundation works best with a damp beauty sponge, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Make sure to blend the foundation down to your neck. So as you can see, the foundation gave me like a light to medium coverage, but since this foundation is buildable, I'm gonna go ahead and apply another layer. And let's not forget, the damp beauty sponge does soak up some products, so that's why I'm gonna go ahead and apply another layer.
What I'm gonna do is just focus more on my T-zone right here. And around my nose.
Okay, so I applied another layer. As you can see, I'm left with a natural luminous glow. Since I've been testing this foundation for a little over a week now, I like the fact that it's lightweight, it feels like I have nothing on. And even for me to have combination oily skin, I feel like the foundation holds up pretty well after 6 hours. I do have to say, with this foundation, you do need to set it because it doesn't fully dry. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I'm gonna take my Laura powder and a large powder brush and set the face.
And I'm just going to focus more on the T-zone where I produce more oil, like around the nose, the chin, and my forehead. Like that.
I'm going to follow up with bronzer, and I'm taking the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Radiant Bronze Light and a angled brush like this. And for blush, I'm taking Lovejoy. It's a mineralized blush by MAC. And I'm just taking a regular blush brush. I do tend to go a little bit heavy on the blush, but that can be easily fixed with a clean dual fiber. This one is by BH Cosmetics. It's the number 9 brush. And you just basically buff it out. Like I said, I am going to keep it simple on the eyes, but I'm going to prime the eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base in Nude, I believe. No, it's in the shade Skin Tone. And I'm also gonna set the primer as well so that it stays in place and it doesn't crease on us. I'm dipping into my Juvia's Masquerade palette, and with a tapered brush I'm taking Burknia and I'm adding that into my crease as my transition. I'm taking Fulani and I'm gonna add that to the entire lid, like this. Oh wow, that was pigmented. But these shadows are pigmented. And then with the same tapered blending brush, I'm just gonna blend out the edges. I'm pretty much done with the eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to my upper lashes and lower lashes. Alright, so next I'm going to highlight the face. Oops. I'm going to highlight the face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills collab with Amrezy. I'm just taking a fan brush. I finally got one from Amazon, so I'm just gonna apply that at the high points of my cheek.
Like that. Wow. You see that, guys? I just love highlighters. I'm also applying some of the Cupid's bow. My nose, the tip of my nose. Just above my brow. Where the sun would naturally hit. Like that. And I'm also gonna highlight the brow bone. Like that. And with my finger I'm taking some of the highlighter to the teardrop right here.
For lips, I'm taking the Revlon Color Burst in Pink Truffle. And right on top, I'm gonna add some of my Fenty Beauty Universal Lip Gloss. So, there you have it, guys. That's pretty much it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye-bye.